Hi, my lovely people. Let's speak today. The moment a nation decides whether to repeat or transcend its past, that is a turning point in history. Let's go back to when dust remembers. In my last video, I told you that I planned, 12 episodes? And after a week of very hard work and finding out how the systems work and getting people on board or trying for people on board, it was decided that the book is so complex that it will have 5 seasons, and each season will have between 8 and 12 episodes. Now that is a big movie. That's a big series. A couple of things that's very important. Firstly, in total, there's about 5,000 actors in this movie, taking the military and people in the fields and everybody into consideration, and about 40 to 50 main actors that plays a major part. My first rule is that each and every actor, actress must be South African. Point blank. I will not have famous Hollywood actors in here. This is South African movie, South African series, and it will be South African produced, and all actors will be South African. So yes, you might have a little interest in acting, but you've got no experience. Don't worry. We're busy talking to a couple of acting schools to get them aboard, that we can do a course, a certified course, where you will be qualified in a certain level of acting so that you can fulfill your part in the movie. So not only will we make a series, but we will also develop people. But I need actors. I don't know where you fit in. My book is still only $15 instead of $25 at Amazon, and the link is in the bios of this video. Now I will change that 15 back to $25 Friday coming, the 6th of December. I'm going back to $25. So if you are interested in acting, well, if you're interested in the book, you must buy it now. You got 6 days left of this special offer. And if you're interested in an acting career, buy this book. I'm looking for Indian, Khaled, Xhosa, Zulu, Khoisan, Afrikaans, Jewish, Khaled, you name it, male, female. I'm looking for a guy to play a sergeant major in the Paravats. I'm looking for my military hero. I'm looking for a beautiful redhead with, she's got a doctorate in science and she can play piano. Maybe you can do that in acting. That's what I'm looking for. So go buy the book. This is a challenge. Buy the book. It takes about a week to 10 days from Amazon for delivery to South Africa. Buy the book, read the book. You've got my contact details. Send me the role that you would be interested in. Now remember, I've got in the cast a lot of people that will be background actors. And if you prefer to do that, you can be used in a variety of shoots. With different makeup, you can every time be a different person. So yes, it is a small little employment opportunity. Not only that, it is a development opportunity, and it's all South African. Now for the bad news. I'm talking 1.5 years from now. Because this is not a small fish we're frying here. A lot of work, a lot of negotiations need to happen. So yes, people, still on $15. When dust remembers, go buy the book. See what is in the future for South Africa. This is not a prediction. It's science fiction. Science fiction. I repeat myself. It is only a story. But it's a brilliant story. So before you go up in arms and say that this is the end of the country and everything, yes, it's happening in the book. It's science fiction. But there's a lot more than just South Africa collapsing. The story is about the rebuild. So yes, thank you for your support so far. Buy the book. Let me know which part you would be interested in. And have a lovely, lovely day. Tomorrow is the 1st of December. I've just put up my Christmas tree, so tomorrow I'll start the Christmas lights on my tree for the 1st of December. And I hope all of you in this Christmas season coming up that you have a festive time, a joyful time with your happy families. Lovely day from Knysna. Regards. Bye-bye.